Welcome or welcome back to our first day of the Junk Journal January Challenge. So let's grab our journal and dive into this brand new 2026 year of creativity. Let's start with the prompt of creative reset. I thought that this one would be perfect for starting a brand new year and a new creative challenge. If you want to get yourself the Printable for the challenge, I will leave a link to the Promptlist in the description down below. Now, I decided for this prompt I wanted to kind of rework a spread I did for the Junk Journal July challenge last year and give the reset situation the kind of reworking a page I already did. That's the idea for today. And I decided to do this to-be list I did for the summer last year, so I just wanted to create that for a little reminder for January that sometimes it's not all about the to-dos, and to remind myself to be more present in 2026 and just allow myself to take time for creative adventures and other things that make life great, and that not everything in this super productivity focused society we live in has always to be about productivity in a way. So I decided to just make that my theme of this spread and also make it kind of the title spread for the Junk Journal January challenge. So I did include the prompt list here in the beginning for myself to have something to look back on throughout this challenge to see what the prompt of the day is. I wish you all a happy new year. I hope you had a lovely celebration yesterday and you came good into the new year, and to hopefully a bunch of creative adventures in this new season. And I'm really excited for this challenge and all the fun creative adventures we will get up to in 2026. Do you have any kind of creativity related New Year goals or anything? If you want to share them with all of us, let me know in the comments down below. I would absolutely love to hear from you. For me, it's definitely to fill up one sketchbook at least in the new year, and like a really thick sketchbook. I don't really count the junk journals. They are on a separate page in a way, so I really want to also fill up a complete sketchbook in 2026, and we will see what other art goals I will come up with. I maybe do soon sit down and start a new sketchbook for 2026, and hopefully I will be able to finish that sketchbook in this year. And also there's one different kind of project besides it's more of a daily challenge, like the daily doodle diary, which I will definitely start again for 2026, but that will come soon. I have to see if I can already post something in January, or maybe I post the start for the 2026 daily doodle diary in February then, and we will see. I'm really excited for the new creative projects and adventures that are coming in 2026, and hopefully you are all happy and will join me on this creative adventure. I definitely want to focus more on creating for the sake of creating, and don't beat myself up too much about perfection in my own creations, and just focus on creating something and getting something done in a way. So don't focus too much on making it perfect. I know it's important to work on your craft, and that's something I really have on my to-do list for the new year as well, but I also really need to work on sharing things even if they don't fit my own high standards in a way. So I'm hopefully can work on that and on just allowing myself to create even if the outcome is not as perfect as I want it to be or something, or if it's not the creative thing of the world. Just create for the sake of creation, I guess. That's my kind of biggest goal for 2026. Having fun with creating again. and don't get that fun robbed by my own perfectionism in a way. I hope you are having a lovely start to 2026 and you are having a good day. See you tomorrow for day 2 of our Creative Daily Challenge. I hope you enjoyed creating alongside with me, or you found some inspiration for your first day of the challenge. Let me know in the comments down below. I wish you all the best for 2026. Happy creating!